Hi, let me tell you the story of how Jack and Lily's love story began. It's simple, sweet, and full of moments that will make you smile. So, let's begin. Jack was in his late 20s and loved cooking. He worked as a chef at Bella Cucina, a cozy Italian restaurant in the city. For Jack, cooking wasn't just work. It was his way of making people happy. Every day he chose the freshest ingredients and made tasty dishes that people loved. Jack was kind, friendly, and always ready to help others. His big smile made him popular in his neighborhood. Lily was in her early 30s and worked as a teacher at a local school. She loved teaching kids and enjoyed seeing them learn new things. In her free time, Lily liked painting and dreamed of showing her art in a gallery one day. She was cheerful, kind, and loved making people feel good. Everyone liked Lily for her caring nature. Even though Jack and Lily lived in the same neighborhood, they had never met. But one sunny Saturday, everything changed. Both of them went to the busy farmer's market. Jack was picking fresh vegetables for his restaurant, while Lily was looking for pretty flowers to decorate her classroom. And then their paths crossed. Jack was reaching for a ripe red tomato when Lily accidentally bumped into him. The tomato fell to the ground. "Oh no, I'm so sorry," Lily said quickly, bending down to pick it up. Jack laughed and said, "It's okay. It's just a tomato, no problem at all." They both smiled and soon they started talking. Jack learned that Lily loved Italian food, and Lily found out about Jack's passion for cooking. They laughed about how busy the market was that day, and even shared a joke about how they might have avoided bumping into each other if the aisles weren't so narrow. As their conversation continued, they realized they had many things in common. Jack mentioned how he loved visiting art galleries when he had time off, and Lily's face lit up as she shared her dream of showcasing her paintings. Jack listened intently, impressed by her passion. Before they left, Jack gave Lily his restaurant's card and said, "You should come by sometime. I'll make you something special." Lily smiled warmly and replied, "I'd love that." As Lily walked away, she couldn't stop smiling. She felt a spark, something she hadn't felt in a long time. Jack, too, watched her leave with a smile, feeling like he had met someone truly special. And so, their story began. A week after their chance meeting at the market, Lily decided to visit Jack's restaurant. She was excited but also a little nervous. Would the food be as good as Jack promised? As she entered Bella Cucina, the warm smell of garlic and fresh bread greeted her. The cozy atmosphere immediately put her at ease. Jack noticed Lily as soon as she walked in. "Lily, you made it," he said with a big smile. He led her to a table by the window and handed her the menu. "Let me make something special for you. Trust me, you'll love it," he said confidently. Lily laughed. "I do trust you. Surprise me." Jack disappeared into the kitchen, leaving Lily to admire the charming decor of the restaurant. Soon, Jack returned with a steaming plate of spaghetti carbonara. "This is one of my favorites," he said, placing the plate in front of her. Lily took a bite and her eyes lit up. "This is amazing. Jack, you're really talented." Jack smiled shyly. "Thank you. Cooking is my way of showing care. I'm glad you like it." They spent the evening talking and laughing. Jack shared stories about his journey as a chef, while Lily talked about her love for teaching and painting. They discovered they had even more in common than they had realized. Jack was fascinated by Lily's creativity, and Lily admired Jack's dedication to his work. As the night ended, Jack walked Lily to the door. "Thank you for coming. It was really nice to see you again," he said. Lily smiled. "Thank you for the delicious food. I'll definitely be back." Jack watched her leave, feeling a growing warmth in his heart. For the first time in years, he felt truly connected to someone. Lily, too, couldn't stop smiling as she walked home. She couldn't wait to see Jack again. After Lily's visit to Bella Cucina, she and Jack started seeing each other more often. Jack would text Lily pictures of new dishes he was trying, asking for her opinion. Lily would respond with sketches of her paintings, sharing ideas and asking for his thoughts. One day, Jack invited Lily to a local food festival where he was showcasing his dishes. "It's a small event," he said, "but it means a lot to me. I'd love for you to come." Lily was thrilled. "I wouldn't miss it for the world," she replied. At the festival, Lily saw Jack in his element. He was behind a small booth, serving his signature dishes to happy customers. The crowd loved his food, and Lily couldn't help but feel proud. When the rush settled, Jack joined Lily at a nearby bench with 2 plates of his famous bruschetta. "This is amazing, Jack," Lily said, taking a bite. Jack smiled. "I'm glad you like it. Food always tastes better when shared with someone special." Lily blushed, but smiled back. "You're right, it does." Over time, they found little ways to support each other's passions. Jack surprised Lily by setting up a small art corner in his restaurant where she could display her paintings. "Your art deserves to be seen," he told her. Lily was touched. "Thank you, Jack. This means so much to me." In return, Lily helped Jack design a creative menu for Bella Cucina. She used her artistic skills to make it vibrant and eye-clucking. "Now your menu looks as good as your food tastes," she teased. Their days were filled with laughter and shared dreams. They spent weekends exploring the city, visiting art galleries, and trying new dishes at different restaurants. One evening, as they walked by the lake, Jack stopped and looked at Lily. "You know," he said softly, "I feel like I've known you forever. Meeting you was the best thing that's happened to me." Lily felt her heart race. "I feel the same, Jack," she said, her voice gentle. They stood there, watching the sunset, realizing that what they had was something truly special. Their friendship had grown into a deep connection, and their love story was just beginning to bloom. Jack and Lily's relationship grew stronger with each passing day. They celebrated each other's successes, supported one another through challenges, and found joy in the simplest moments. It was clear to everyone around them that they were perfect for each other. One day, Jack decided to do something special. He wanted to make Lily's dream of showcasing her art in a gallery come true. For weeks, he secretly worked with his restaurant team to organize an art show at Bella Cucina. He transformed the space into a mini gallery, hanging Lily's paintings on the walls and placing small cards with descriptions beside each one. When the day arrived, Jack invited Lily to the restaurant under the pretense of trying a new dish. As Lily entered, her eyes widened in surprise. The restaurant looked magical, with soft lights highlighting her artwork. "Jack, what is this?" Lily asked, her voice full of emotion. Jack smiled. "It's your art show, Lily. You've always dreamed of this, and I wanted to make it happen for you." Lily's eyes filled with tears. "This is the most thoughtful thing anyone has ever done for me," she said, hugging him tightly. That evening, Bella Cucina was filled with friends, family, and customers who came to admire Lily's work. Everyone praised her talent, and she even sold a few paintings. Lily couldn't stop smiling. As the night went on, Jack stepped onto the small stage in the corner of the restaurant. He held a microphone and looked at Lily, who was standing near one of her favorite paintings. "Lily," he began, his voice steady but filled with emotion, "meeting you was the best thing that ever happened to me. You've brought so much color and happiness into my life. Every moment with you feels like a gift." Lily's heart raced as Jack walked toward her and knelt down. He pulled out a small box and opened it, revealing a beautiful ring. "Lily, will you marry me?" Jack asked, his eyes filled with love. The room went silent, and all eyes were on Lily. Tears streamed down her face as she smiled and said, "Yes, Jack, of course I will." The crowd erupted in applause and cheers as Jack slipped the ring onto Lily's finger. They embraced, surrounded by the people who had supported them along their journey. From that day on, Jack and Lily became partners in every sense. They continued to support each other's dreams. Jack expanded his restaurant to include a gallery space for local artists, and Lily became a full-time artist, using her work to inspire others. Their love story was a reminder that sometimes the best things in life happen when you least expect them. Jack and Lily had found not only love, but also a partner who believed in them wholeheartedly. Did you enjoy Jack and Lily's heartwarming love story? If you want to improve your English while enjoying stories like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more simple and engaging stories that help you learn English effortlessly.